Hey everyone, what's up? On the Wellor channel today, I'll show you how to install mods on Aternos Minecraft Java. Open any browser and go to the Aternos website. Yes, I'll disable adblock here since it'll turn red otherwise. Yes, there we go. So here's what you need to do. Go to the core, right? Without the software option, you can choose a core for your mods here. In this case, it could be Forge, NeoForge, or ArcLight. Fabric also seems like it could work. There you go. Well, Forge is the most popular one. If you also need plugins for your server, then choose ArcLight. ArcLight is definitely top tier. There are just a few versions here though. Today I'll go with Forge since it's more familiar to me. Select Forge, for example. Choose your game version. Say 1.2, 1.1, which is a popular version. And as soon as you do that, a mods tab will appear. Go in and select the mod you need. Yes! You install it on the server with this button, and you must also install it on your computer. Otherwise, you won't be able to join the server. There's a link right here for that. Check the version right away. It's Moda. Moda, that is 29001. Go here, Files, search here. There it is, version 29001 Forge. Click download. Download it and place it in the Minecraft mods folder, and you can connect to the server without any issues. Like and subscribe to the channel. It's been Weller with you. See you all later.